Some coins like Ethereum have a single address and unified balance. On the other hand, coins like Bitcoin use multiple addresses, and each fraction of the coin received, called UTXO, can be independently controlled. Here's how you can do UTXO control on Coinomi for increased privacy, better security, and lower fees. Open the balance section of the account that you want to manage, and at the top right corner of the screen, select Show Unspent Outputs. This will list all UTXOs controlled by that account, their value, and their addresses. Tapping a UTXO will show you the advanced options that Coinomi provides. You can label a UTXO for organizational purposes, for example, noting from where a UTXO was originally received. Remember that when a UTXO is spent, new ones you receive as change will need to be manually labeled again. You can also set a UTXO as Do Not Spend. This gives you full control over exactly which ones can be spent on each transaction. This is perfect for fine control when consolidating small values, or isolating certain funds for certain uses. Remember that while unspendable, marked UTXOs will not count towards your final balance. And that's how you can get full and precise control over your funds with Coinomi.